I rejected, it sounds like you rejected somebody. Then you said I selected, again it sounds like you selected somebody. But you have to say what? Would you add something in between? Okay, Ayush, would you pronounce this word with me? Probably. Can you repeat after me? Probably. Probably.
Probably.
Yes.
Yes.
You lose your confidence. Okay. So, Ankit, am I clearly audible
Yes.
and visible to you?
Great thing because we can improve ourselves. We can be our better version on it.
And if I just focus on Ankit's communication skills, or you can say the way he expressed himself, so you can also observe here, like, sometimes it's okay to sound like a philosopher. Are you getting me? Whenever you get a topic, or whenever you have to speak on something, so you just try to bring every point, all the points you have in your mind, like from here and there, whatever you notice in your day-to-day life, whatever you have observed. Like, if I talk about the better version of yourself, so Ankit must have heard it from somewhere, right, Ankit? Like, you must have heard it, or you might have heard it by
Exactly.
from Priyanka Chopra, from someone else. So this is the power of listening to others, because when we listen to them, and we have a lot of stuff, so we have to present ourselves. That's, but yeah, grammar wise you're very good. Okay, anyways, not a problem. So Ayush, let's count your failures. Like, right now you are in the second year of BTech. You must have had many failures, at least two or three failures you must have had. So let's try to count your failures. Like, okay, one more thing I want to add here. Failure is not always about your exam, your job, your money. It could be so many things. Like, it could be you someone might have failed in any kind of relationship. Someone might have failed as a daughter, as a husband, as a wife, as a student, anything. Okay, so if you're failing in your life, that is also called as a failure. So if you want, you can consider anything you want. Okay, it's not always about your job or about your studies. Okay, it could be beyond that. Let's try. Okay, Vivek, I'll come back to you. Ayush, you start.
Hello.
Yeah, I'll come back to you, Vivek. Just a minute.
According to your age, means your goal also change. Okay. So the failure has according to me, for failure there is no definition, but suicide,
Oh God.
children suicide.
So
So
from where did he belong to?
I think actually I belong from. I will give
No,
you
no, no.
hint.
Where
I
did
think
he belong to? Where did he
okay,
belong to? The person who committed suicide.
okay.
I'll come back to you
Actually,
as
he
well.
belongs from MP. He belongs from MP.
Okay.
Yeah, he belongs from MP. I think Guna or Gwalior. Actually, it's 2 3 days.
My name is Majid.
Majid, okay. I'll call you Majid. Okay. So I think we have never
Uh,
interacted before. You are new to this meeting or group. I hope.
Actually, ma'am, I am new here, so I cannot talk in English.
Oh, it's
I'm
okay.
just listening to all of you.
Okay, okay. Then it's but the way
Mm.
you answered me, it was in English. And if you can answer me in English, then you can
Yeah,
converse with us in English as well.
some just some little bit, just some little bit English. Just I know.
Okay. Little bit English you
My
know,
speaking
but
is not good as you all.
see,
Yeah.
that's why you are here. Okay, that's.
You are the master because you can do. You can give better
No,
suggestion.
it's actually right, Vivek. I know that it happens. Suppose if someone is failed at something, then I would just give sympathy or empathy to him. That it's okay. It happens to everyone. Okay, you gave me the example of the person or the student who committed suicide. So no matter how much anybody else would have explained him, or would have convinced him that this is wrong or something, he would have done that, or he would have committed that suicide anyway. So this happens that preaching someone is easier than doing it actually. So I agree with this line. The person who goes through this phase, that person only understand how what phase he's going through, and he has to learn from his own mistakes. He has to learn from that pain, I would say. So pain is also important, but again, only strong people can do it. They can come out, they can overcome this type of failures or situations. Okay, anyways, I would start with a quick feedback. And let's start with you, Vivek, only. Okay, one thing I have noticed on you is, okay, particularly if I talk about the simple present tense, which you use perfectly well, means this is also an art. Means what I'm saying, this, you are very much experienced also, you are mature too, means from your points are also strong. If I think if I didn't give chance, first chance to Ankit, so you would have explained it also better, because he got the first chance, so he had so many things in his mind. And I liked one thing very well, that he kept himself calmed, and then he was trying that breathing exercise also, something he was doing. A point here, when you say it depend, you were saying this term again and again, so we need to stress on here. Can you try it once again? It depend, when we say, or
It
this
depends.
depends. This depends, right? And
This depends.
this depends means any word you are taking as singular, it would go to
Yes.
depends. S means even if you are saying S, what happens in the verbal communication? Sometimes people are not able to hear that S. I rejected. It sounds like you rejected somebody. Then you said I selected. Again, it sounds like you selected somebody. But you have to say what? Would you add something in between? It happened. The action happened on you, right? I selected there,
Okay.
but it sounds like you selected somebody else. Can anybody else guess this part? What I'm saying? Because I know in this
I was
Google Meet, my pen will not work properly. Yes, Ankit.
I was selected, I guess. Right.
Yeah, I was selected is also a good option, because you need to add something there that would show that action happened on you. So you are actually using the passive voice, Ankit, here. I was selected in that interview, or I was rejected. Okay. Now, Ayush, do you have any other alternative for this, which is very common?
I got selected.
Perfect. That sounds better. I got selected, I got rejected. Means whenever any actions happens to you or on you only, then this term is very very important. You say either I got rejected, I got selected, I got confused. Okay, Ayush, would you pronounce this word with me? Probably. Can you repeat after me? Probably. Probably.
Probably.
Yes. Instead of saying probably, you will say probably.